In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link two cards in Trello so you can keep related tasks connected and your boards organized. Whether you're managing a team project, tracking client work, or planning personal tasks, linking Trello cards is a simple but powerful way to improve visibility and workflow. I'll walk you through two easy methods step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to connect cards in seconds. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first method to link two Trello cards is by using the built-in attachment feature. Start by opening the Trello board that contains the card you want to link from. Click on the first card to open its detailed view. Once the card is open, look at the right-hand sidebar, where you'll see several options like Members, Labels, Checklist, Dates, and Attachment. Click on Attachment. After clicking Attachment, you'll see different options for adding files or links. Choose the option labeled Trello. This allows you to search for another card within your Trello workspace. A search bar will appear, and here you can type the name of the card you want to link. As you type, Trello will automatically show matching cards from your boards. Find the correct card in the search results and click on it. Instantly, Trello will attach that card as a linked reference inside the first card. You'll now see the linked card listed under the Attachments section. When you click on that attachment, it will open the connected card, making it easy to jump between related tasks. This method is especially useful when you want a clear, clickable connection between cards, and both cards are part of your Trello workspace. It keeps everything structured and easy to navigate. Now let's look at the second method, which is just as simple and gives you a bit more flexibility. In this method, you'll manually copy and paste the card URL. First, open the card you want to link. At the top of the card window, you can copy the URL directly from your browser's address bar. Highlight the full URL and copy it. Next, open the second card where you want to place the link. You have two main options here. Option 1 is to paste the URL directly into the card description. Click inside the description area and paste the link. Trello will automatically convert it into a clickable link. This is great if you want to add context around a link, such as explaining why the two cards are related. Option 2 is to add the copied URL as an attachment instead. Just like before, click on Attachment in the sidebar, but this time simply paste the URL into the attachment field and confirm. Trello will recognize it as a card link and attach it properly. Both methods achieve the same result, creating a direct connection between two Trello cards. The built-in Trello attachment search is faster when you know the card name, while copying and pasting the URL works perfectly if you already have the card open or want to include the link inside detailed notes. Linking cards is incredibly helpful for connecting dependent tasks, referencing related work, or tying together tasks across different lists or boards. It keeps your workflow organized and reduces confusion, especially when working in teams. And that's it. Now you know two easy ways to link two Trello cards using attachments or by copying and pasting the card URL. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.